Hi everyone, welcome to AOS Outdoor Kitchens. Today I wanted to show you the Napoleon Oasis Outdoor Kitchen that we've got set up here in our showroom. I just wanted to show you a few of the features and a few of the things you can do with it and just give you a bit of information about the kitchen as a whole. So these units come ready-made. They're 610 by 610 mil square. They come ready-made with adjustable feet, and you just bolt them together. There's 4 holes in each side, and you just, whatever units you have, you put them together, bolt them together, and that's it, it's done. Really simple to set up, really easy to use. There's a number of different units that you can have, all providing different functions. So for example, to take you through what we've got in here, so this cupboard here is a propane drawer. That comes out, that is where you put your propane tank. Now you normally put this next to your barbecue, like that. This is the undergrill unit. So this actually comes in 3 different sizes. I'll talk about this later, but the Napoleon barbecues come in 3 different sizes, and there are undergrill units to suit those different sizes. So that's basically just, it's a unit with 2 drawers underneath, plenty of storage underneath there. Stainless steel drawer fronts, these are aluminium, these carcasses here. We've actually got on the end here, this is an end panel as well. It's just, if this is the end of the unit, it just finishes off the kitchen nicely there. Over here, this here, I'm not sure if you can see it, this is a kitchen roll holder. I will film this a bit closer up so you can see all the different bits later on. That's a kitchen holder. This is a waste bin, which is really handy. A lot of people forget about those. Over here, this is a 3-drawer unit. They also do a 2-drawer unit as well, which looks exactly the same. With the top drawer there, the bottom drawer just comes out as one like that, but it looks like 3 drawers. And then you've got the Napoleon fridge as well. They've got here is, this is called an end of run fridge panel, and that just goes like that. So if your fridge is going on the end, you'd have that. If you wanted to put your fridge in the middle of a run, they do a middle unit as well. So that's what it looks like going together. There is another unit you can get, the universal unit, which is just a cupboard, exactly the same as this, with a shelf in it, just for storage. So great for storage, for keeping all your glasses, your food, your utensils, everything. Really practical, very useful. We've got, so just to mention, with the Napoleon kitchens, they don't come with worktops. The worktops you get yourself, and this one that we've got here is actually decked on, which we've just had installed. It's really nice. This is called Vera, I think, this one, Vera Natural. And Decton's like a resin, really tough and hard wearing, scratch resistant, heat resistant, brilliant for outdoors, and it comes in lots of different colours as well. We've got lots of samples here in the showroom, so if you want to come down and look at those, you can. So that's the kitchen, pretty much summed up. This is, I'll do another video on the barbecue, video. I hope that's been helpful for you. Click like and if you like the video, and subscribe to us if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.